So the Bee Research and Extension Lab at SCU is trying to grow capacity for the sector, both in extension and teaching and in research, and grow a community of practice to breed better bees that are healthier and productive in the face of Varroa. One of the main reasons is that we've got a new incursion of Varroa mite in this country, so it's the leading cause of colony losses globally. But when you look at the research in other countries, for example in America and New Zealand, they lost 50 to 60% of their registered businesses, beekeeping businesses, within about 4 years. So we don't want that to happen in Australia. We've got 40 years of research and experience from other countries that we can draw upon. We have very unique climate, agriculture and beekeeping industry here, and we need to be able to do some really practical and applied research and extension to try to address some of those problems and ensure that we've got a lot of beekeeping businesses in business. Obviously there's lots of different ways to be able to control these Varroa mites, from prevention to mechanical controls, cultural controls, biological controls, prevention, synthetic chemicals, but a really important mechanism is through breeding bees. So just like any other type of livestock, bees can be bred for lots of different important characteristics like their temperament, their colour, their honey production, and one of the traits is Varroa tolerance. From an international perspective, we have very unique conditions here in Australia, and understanding research for Varroa control and other biosecurity implications of that in tropical and subtropical climates is something that a lot of other countries need.
I love working with bees. I'm excited about teaching people and fueling their love of bees as well, and inspiring them to become beekeepers. There's a sort of a dearth of young people getting into the bee industry, and I'd like to see that really take off. And so I'm really inspired about working with bees all day and helping people work with bees themselves. So the role of the Bee Club is, generally, the way I see it, is for people that are really interested in bees, but maybe they can't have a hive at their house, or they do have a hive, but they don't necessarily know deeper methods. For instance, something like queen breeding, or just generally, beekeeping is quite a deep hobby when you start getting into it. And so it's for people to kind of learn and be able to play with bees where they may not necessarily be able to at their own place. And it's also a place for people to engage with one another, and it's a social club where people can come and just talk bees, because bee nerds just love talking bees all day.